Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And guys, today I have another fun box for us. This is a fashion box and it is Curateur. That's right, do you know what Curateur is? Well, it's a fashionista style box with high fashion upper end styles and fashion by Xoxo. And I get this once a quarter. This is the fall box and we've all been so excited to see what she has in store for us. We did get to choose 2 of our items, so I know I picked 2 of the items. The other 3 items will be part of the collection that she designed, and it is $125 a quarter if you're interested, and I will have the link down in my description. Now when you go onto her website, she may offer you a discount or a free box of some sort, like a free gift, if you decide to subscribe. So when you go on the website, make sure that you pause just a little bit to see if any like discounts and or free gifts come up if you subscribe. But without any further ado, I do want to show you this box. We have Curateur. And it is like I said, a fashion box. It's a basic black box, and it is a box that we can repurpose. And on the inside, we have Curateur, the premium shopping membership. And it says, join our community and follow us on Instagram at Curateur. And this is our product card, and it is going to show us what we have in this box. So I'm so excited. The value of the boxes usually run anywhere from $400 to $700. Yeah, I've had some that's been way up there. She's got it nicely packaged in her black paper, and I am an annual subscriber, so you can save a few dollars if you want to be an annual subscriber. Now on the inside here, I think I'm going to go with the first item that I see, and it is a Rhapsody scarf. It has a retail value of $32, but it is right here. It is a beautiful scarf. It says the scarf's gorgeous fall colors pair perfectly with the dark brown or a crisp white button down or casual cashmere sweater. Wear it more classically around the neck with a chic knot, or tie it in your hair or tie it to your bag as a tassel. And I've been known to do that. I've actually been known to do all 3, but let's see what we have here, and let's just see how pretty this is. She picks out such nice things. Isn't that beautiful? Oh yeah, that is very nice for fall. And there's the tag, and I'm gonna see if it has a price on here. It says it's 100% rayon, so I'll have to be careful how I care for it. Very pretty. I'm gonna see how it looks on. I'm not quite sure. I think I should do it like corner to corner and maybe have it tied around, like she said, in a little knot. But I can just wear it with this here. Oh yeah, that looks very pretty. I like that. What do y'all think? Very, very nice. My next item is the Kayla plus Ava. This is a Miranda Crosby, and it was a choice item, and we could choose between black or cognac. And I'll give y'all one guess which color I picked, and it has an $80 value, and mine is right here. It's all covered up. Okay, guess. Did I get cognac or black? Make a vote down there and let me know. We're gonna have the reveal right now. So did you vote cognac or black? Which did I pick? How well do you know me? All right, guys, I got cognac. Yep, that's my favorite color, it seems like. I go toward that with my luggage, like trimmed in cognac. I get things that are this color. I like it. This is a little bit darker cognac than what I'm used to, but it's a Kayla and Ava, and it is vegan leather, if you're wondering. And it has like a little outside pocket here. It has detail on front, which is very nice. And it has an enclosure with the snap. We have a strap if we want it to be a crossbody, which is probably what I'd use it for. And then we have this in here to keep the shape. And on the inside, it's big enough for your phone. And I do have my phone right here, and you'll see that it'll fit right in there. And I'll have room for other items. And it does have like a little sleeve. So we have 2 sleeves on each side. Very, very cute. I love this. And then of course we have our crossbody strap, which I'll probably use, but if I wanted to use it like on an evening out and just be a little bit more, stylish, I could just carry it like this. So you have either way, but it does have the clips for each side to use it as a crossbody. So I love that. And it says here, I love very functional bags in the fall. This one, it goes from crossbody or to clutch in a second, and that's true. So you won't need to switch it out all season. Plus, it's so chic and modern, and it is, and I love it, and it goes great with my scarf. So yay, I'm glad I made that choice. Now, our next item is Dr. Barbara Sturm. And guys, this is her hyaluronic serum, and her hyaluronic serum, $320. I will tell you that Dr. Barbara Sturm is a very expensive product, and I wouldn't doubt if it's $320, which is going to make my box way over $400. And this is sealed, and on the inside here, of course, we have our hyaluronic serum made in Germany. So very rich and emollient hyaluronic acid serum. It doesn't have a scent, which I wouldn't expect it to have a scent, but that is very nice, and that is what it looks like. So that's going to be something at the Molecular Cosmetics of Dr. Sturm, and $320 value. It says, I swear this serum is like youthful skin in a bottle. The hydrated look and the feel is immediately noticeable, but over time the results get better and better. So yay, that's a nice product, and it feels good, and it is drying on my hand right now. It feels a little tacky, so hopefully it'll dry on down. And our next item is a Mellow Cosmetics, and that is right here, and it is a lip gloss in Tahiti, and its retail value is $16, and it is a nice color. You can see that it's a nice fall color. It'll go with what I have on. Very nice, and it is a lip gloss. It says, when I'm going for a natural look, this subtle sparkling gloss gives just enough glam, but I also love applying it over my favorite deep-filled shades for an added shine. And I guess it did add a little bit of a shine there, which I had on kind of a pink color. Now it might be more of a mixed color of the two, but very nice. Feels good. Nice and moisturizing. Now the next item that I picked is also a customizable item. We could have gotten sparkle hoops for $108 value, or we could have gotten chain drop earrings for an $86 value. And I chose, I want to say I chose the $86 value, and I did. I chose the chain drop earrings because I have so many hoops, and I just thought these would be lovely, and they are. And you can take a better look at those. Wow, aren't those beautiful? That is really dressy and stylish. So let's take a look at these. We'll take these off and put these on and see what they look like, because they look fabulous. What's that saying? Gorgeous, absolutely exquisite. She does have wonderful premium fashion in her boxes. Oh, that is gorgeous. I love that. It is beautiful. And I'm going to have to just match up on both sides. Are y'all liking this box? This is the only way I could really afford any of this stuff. I would never pay $320 for some serum, but I'll gladly try it in a box that just cost me about $100. I did get my box, I think, for around $100 each before the price went up to $125. So I think I have one more box coming, which will be the winter, and then I'll have to decide if I'm going to re-up or not. But I do like the items that she sends us. They're so exquisite and so beautiful. So that is my Curateur box. And I want to tell you that this also came with a pouch to keep them in. And they give you a care guide. So I'm going to put that in my bag here. And it says, add sparkle and transform with these classic styles into standout pieces. And then it says, the chain link jewelry never goes out of style. I wear them with a stash pack of small hoops and studs, but they also make a statement on their own, and I only have one pierced ear, so my statement will be on its own, but I love it. So you guys let me know what's your favorite item in this box. I don't know if I can pick just one, but I know I'm gonna have to. This here is excellent because this is an incredible hyaluronic serum, but my favorite, I think, oh, the scarf is beautiful, the earrings are beautiful, the bag clutch is so pretty too. Oh my goodness, I can't pick one, guys. I'm gonna have to say my favorites are these four: the earrings, the scarf, the purse, and the serum. So you let me know, can you pick out just one out of this? Can one of these be your favorite? These are beautiful. I love them, and I love the scarf. It is a nice color for fall, and that is my Curateur Fall 2023. So let me know what your favorites are. Be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways that are currently going on, and I think I have a couple, so be sure and join in on them. And as for today and Curateur, that's all I have, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.